So hello student friends, I hope you are enjoying these lectures of digital techniques. So I once again welcome you all for this lectures series on digital techniques. So in the last lecture we had discussed about all types of flip-flop. Okay, so just to recall, we had discussed about starting with, we have gone for this SR flip-flop. Okay, then we have seen clocked and clocked SR flip-flop. Okay, simple SR flip-flop, clocked SR flip-flop, then JK flip-flop, then toggle flip-flop, D flip-flop. Okay, and all these can be constructed with help of NOR gate as well as NAND gate. So we have seen the working of all these flip-flops with help of NAND gate. Okay, and for this we have seen their truth table, right? Truth table of all these flip-flops. Okay, so we have even seen now I'm coming to the point of this truth table. Truth table we have also seen for all types of gates. Now what is truth table? Truth table is that table which gives you all input combination, all possible input combinations and its corresponding output. So that is what truth table is defined, right? So we have all input combinations, and to that particular input combination, depending on the logic of that gate, what output we get. So that is what is given in the truth table. Now our next very interesting point which we can extend this truth table is excitation. EXCITATION, excitation table. Excitation table is available for all these flip-flops. Now this flip-flop can have or they have this truth table as well as this excitation table, right? Now this word, take the meaning of this word, excitation. Excitation means to energize, to give energy, to excite. Okay, now these truth table are very important. We have seen in the basic gates that we converted this basic gates, this AND gate or NOT, we constructed using NOR and NAND, right? So we constructed these basic gates using universal gates, right? So similarly here for this flip-flop we can convert one flip-flop to another flip-flop. This is one application of having this excitation table. Another very interesting point to study this excitation table is just imagine you know input. We have present state and next state, right? So present state means the current state, okay, before the clock pulse, and next state means the state which is achieved after applying the clock pulse. Okay, so you know that now you are into this present state. अभी आपको मालूम है कि अभी आप यहाँ पे हैं, प्रेजेंट स्टेट में हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है? आपको ये भी मालूम है कि नेक्स्ट स्टेट क्या है, ठीक है? आपको ये मालूम है कि अभी प्रेजेंट स्टेट क्या है, आपको ये भी मालूम है कि नेक्स्ट स्टेट क्या है. ओके, नाउ टू रीच टू दिस नेक्स्ट स्टेट, ये स्टेट पे आने के लिए मुझे यहाँ पे क्या इनपुट देना पड़ेगा? ओके, दैट टेबल मीन्स द एक्साइटेशन टेबल. So that table means the excitation table. Now take an example. Now I know that I need to have addition of 10. ठीक है, आई हैव 2 नंबर्स जिसका रिजल्ट 10 आना चाहिए, ठीक है। मेरे पास 2 नंबर्स है, कंसिडर मेरे पास एक नंबर है 2, ठीक है। टेकिंग दिस 2 I need to get the result as 10, ठीक है। I need to get the result as 10। तो क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं, अब मुझे प्रेजेंट स्टेट मालूम है, मुझे नेक्स्ट स्टेट मालूम है, अब मुझे कुछ ऐसा इनपुट देना पड़ेगा, राइट। आई नीड टू गिव इनपुट इन सच ए वे दैट फ्रॉम 2 I go to 10। okay, now what are the possible input combinations? Now if, it can be 8 plus 2, right, it can be 12 minus 2, okay, it can be 5 into 2, okay, it can be say 20 by 20 divided by 2, okay। My 2 is fixed because this is what my present state is, okay, and these are some possible combinations where using these combinations I can reach to this state of 10, okay। Now my table would be 5, 8, 12, 20, okay। So this becomes my excitation table for from this state to this state, okay। So this is what the excitation table is. Now in digital circuits there are situations where you know what is my present state and what is my next state. So what combinations should I apply for the present state so that I am reaching specifically, very specifically to this given state, given next state, not any other state, yes state, okay। So for that purpose this excitation table is very important, right? So let's see, let's jump into the these concepts of excitation table, okay। So that is what excitation table of flip-flop. If present and next states are known, then find all input, all possible input combinations to reach that next state, Now what is next state? The state before clock pulse. You know that this is denoted by Qn. What is next state? State after clock pulse, and this is represented as Qn plus 1, okay। So we can say that present state and next state means the state of circuit, okay। So if this is a circuit, so this side before applying the clock pulse, okay, not this side, the total before applying the clock pulse is present state, and when clock pulse is applied, that state is called as next state, right? So for this excitation table you need to very clearly understand what do we mean by present state and what do we mean by next state, okay। Now so this way the excitation table can be defined, the table representing all possible combinations of inputs, okay, input conditions for all possible outcomes। तो जो दिया आउटकम है उसके लिए क्या इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशंस हो सकते हैं, राइट। सो एक्साइटेशन टेबल कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड from truth table, yes। So that's what I said, we can now extend the concepts of truth table, right, extend the concepts of truth table to form excitation table. Okay, now let's see the excitation table of SR flip-flop. Right, let us see. So the excitation table need to have these columns. So we have present state. We should know what is the present state. We have next state. Now present state is denoted as Qn. Next state is denoted as Qn plus 1. Then what are the possible input combinations to reach from present state to next state? So इसमें combinations क्या है? Okay, or what input is supposed to be given? What input is supposed to be given to SR flip-flop? Okay, so let's see. We have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now let us see this for 0, 0 condition. Okay, now here you need to recall the concepts of truth table. So what is the truth table of SR flip-flop? SR flip-flop 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so for 0, 0 input combination it is no change. Okay, this is reset, this is set, and this is invalid. Okay, so if you, now this is truth table. This is truth table. So if you provide 0, 0 to SR flip-flop, the previous state remains same as the next state. उसमें change नहीं होता है. That is why it is no change. If you provide 0, 1 to the SR flip-flop, the output is reset. Now Q is 0. Here Q is 1, and if you provide this combination, 1, 1 combination, then it is invalid state. Okay. Now you can see, my present state is 0 and I want to go my next state 0. ओके, तो 0 से मुझे 0 जाना है. यहाँ पे 0, 0 ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन. दिस इज प्रेजेंट स्टेट ऐसा है और नेक्स्ट स्टेट ऐसा है. तो दीज आर अगेन कॉम्बिनेशंस, पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस. क्या हो सकता है? ठीक है, तो 0 मेरा अभी प्रेजेंट स्टेट है और मुझे 0 पे ही जाना है. मुझे मेरा सर्किट अभी 0 पे है और नेक्स्ट स्टेट में मुझे 0 पे ही लेके जाना है. सो इन दैट केस नाउ सी, प्रेजेंट स्टेट 0 है, नेक्स्ट स्टेट भी 0 है, मीन्स प्रेजेंट स्टेट और नेक्स्ट स्टेट सेम है. राइट, हियर वी कैन से प्रेजेंट स्टेट इज इक्वल टू नेक्स्ट स्टेट. ठीक है, तो ये कौन से इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशंस को आता है? 0, 0. मेरा प्रेजेंट स्टेट भी सेम है और नेक्स्ट स्टेट भी सेम है, तो ये कौन से इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन को आता है? 0, 0. तो ये एक हो गया. मेरा प्रेजेंट स्टेट 0 है, नेक्स्ट स्टेट 0 है, मीन्स नेक्स्ट स्टेट आउटपुट क्या है? 0. तो SR फ्लिप फ्लॉप में आउटपुट 0 कहाँ पे आता है? ये स्टेट पे आता है 0, 1. अगर मैं इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन 0, 1 देता हूं तो मेरा आउटपुट क्या आएगा? 0 आएगा. मीन्स रीसेट स्टेट. सो ये 2 पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस है जिसे यूज करके मैं प्रेजेंट स्टेट 0 है तो नेक्स्ट स्टेट 0 पे आ सकता हूं. Okay, so these are 2 input combinations, possible input combinations. By using these possible input combinations, I can change my state from 0 to the next state 0. Okay, so I have 2 combinations here. If I provide 0, 0, my present state will be same as the next state, or next state will be same as present state. Or if I provide 0, 1, or if I provide 0, 1. Okay, now you can see this combination of S, here both are 0. So I'll take this it as a 0, and for R it can be 0 or it can be 1. Now we have something called don't care condition. We have something called don't care condition. Okay, so if I provide 0 with 0 or 1, from 0 present state I can go to 0 next state. Okay, so don't care. So मेरा R कुछ भी रहने दो, मेरा S 0 होना चाहिए, तभी then only I can go from 0 present state to the next present state, which is 0 itself. Okay, so this is how excitation table with help of truth table is. Now considering this next condition from 0 to 1. Now if I want to take my flip-flop, SR flip-flop, from 0 state to 1 state, अब ये मैं कैसे लेके जा सकता हूँ? हाउ कैन आई डू दिस? अब ये करने के लिए अगर मैं 0 0 इनपुट देता हूँ, 0 0 मीन्स नो चेंज है, लेकिन यहाँ पे चेंजेस है, तो 0 0 नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, 0 1 अगर मैं देता हूँ, 0 1 अगर मैं देता हूँ तो आउटपुट क्या आता है? 0 आता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, राइट. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट. मैं अगर 1 0 देता हूँ, 1 0 अगर देता हूँ तो उसका कंडीशन सेट है, मीन्स आउटपुट 1 है. ओके, सो इफ आई वांट टू रीच फ्रॉम 0 प्रेजेंट स्टेट टू 1 प्रेजेंट स्टेट, S and R, I should give input combination as 1 0. This is 1 0. Okay, similarly अब मेरा प्रेजेंट स्टेट 1 है, माई प्रेजेंट स्टेट इज 1 एंड आई वांट टू गो टू 0, राइट. सो यहाँ पे भी 0 0 हो सकता है क्या? 0 0 नो चेंज है, लेकिन यहाँ पे चेंजेस है, सो दिस इज नहीं हो सकता. 0 1 हो सकता है क्या? हो सकता है, क्योंकि 0 1 अगर मैं देता हूँ तो 0 1 के कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए, फॉर द इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 0 1 of SR flip flop, my output is 0. तो यहाँ से मुझे अगर यहाँ पे जाना है तो आउटपुट इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन इज 0 1, राइट. नाउ फॉर अगेन द फाइनल स्टेज, if I want to reach from 1 to 1, means here same state, next state and present state are same, so I can provide 0 0 as input combination, 1 input combination. Okay, मुझे 1 से 1 पे ही जाना है, means मुझे set state से set state पे ही जाना है, तो in that case I can give input combination as 1 0. Okay, so this becomes, I can use a different color, so this becomes 0 0 and 1 0. Now here this S becomes don't care and R is 0. Okay, so this is the excitation table of SR flip-flop. Excitation table of SR flip-flop, right? Okay, so I hope you understood these concepts. ठीक है, now similarly you can try for another type of flip-flop, JK flip-flop and D flip-flop, right? So okay, so similarly you can go for this JK flip-flop, D flip-flop and T flip-flop. Okay, you can try to construct this excitation table of all these flip-flop. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can post your comments in the comment box, or you can just ping me for these questions, right? So in the next lecture we can go for another very important concept, that is counters. Okay, Till then, have a nice time. Thank you.